Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make macaroni salad. My mother-in-law taught me how to make this because it's one of my husband's favorite. So big thanks to my mother-in-law showing me how. And you see I'm boiling some egg. Right now I'm washing my peas. They came frozen and I like to rinse them off with some warm water. Then I set aside and now I'm starting to chop up my veggie. Start off with celery. I like them chopped really small like so. Same with everything else. Now we have sweet onion. My mother-in-law add more onion to her macaroni salad, but I cannot eat too much onion because of my stomach, so I only have like a quarter of sweet onion. Now we have sweet dill pickle. I like to put a lot of this in because it tastes good in my salad. While I'm chopping everything, I already cooked my macaroni and I'm adding everything into a bowl right now. I rinse off my macaroni and let it dry for a little bit, and now I'm adding everything together into a big bowl. My egg already cooked and been peeled. Now I'm just using the cheese grater to grate them in my big bowl. Grated them, I don't know if I say it right, but okay. They look so good already. I did use 1 box of elbow macaroni, and now I'm adding 1 cup of mayo, some of the pickle juice. I also add a little bit of garlic powder into my macaroni salad and a little bit of mustard. Now time to mix them up, then I add my peas in last and keep mixing them up real good, and they are ready to eat. They are very yummy. If you like it, you gotta tell my mother-in-law thank you. She showed me how to make this and my husband love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my video. Have a good day. Bye.